Hello guys, good evening and welcome to my another vlog guys. And yes guys, today's video is all about the after GST prices of the Royal Enfields. And you guys have been asking me in the comment section about Royal Enfield prices. Have they gone up? Have they gone down? So we'll be discussing all this in the video. So without wasting any further ado, let's get into it. The first bike that Enfield offers is the standard 350. Yeah guys, the price that was before GST of the standard 350 was 1,28,000 round figure, and now after post GST it is 1,26,500. So that was the price difference in the standard. Now we'll be moving up to the Electra. So guys, now coming to the prices of the Electra. The Electra was offered at a price of 1,44,000. That is also a round figured, and after post GST it has gone to 1,41,700. Again a 2,000 rupees drop in the price of the Electra. So guys, you saw there is a 2,000 that we can say there is a 2,000 drop in the prices. But now we'll be moving on to the Classic 350 guys. So guys, now coming to the Classic 350 and my favorite bike, as you all guys all know. And the prices of the Classic 350 were before GST were 1,53,000, and after GST it has come to 1,51,000. So guys, again you see there is a 2,000 rupees drop. So we'll be coming to the next bike of the Royal Enfield. Now I'll be talking about the Thunderbird 350. Before GST the price of Thunderbird 360 was 1,64,500 rupees, but now after GST the price of Thunderbird 350 has gone to 1,62,500 rupees. So guys, now we'll be moving on to the standard. Coming to the 500 segment, I would like to tell you that the prices of the 500 segment has gone up. So the bikes I will be telling now is of 500 cc's and the prices have gone up. So the standard 500 before GST was of 1,83,000 rupees, but now the prices after GST has gone to 1,84,700. So guys, that was the standard 500. Now we'll be moving on to the Classic 500. So guys, now I'll be talking about Classic 500, and the price before GST was 1,94,000 rupees, and after GST it has increased to 1,95,500 rupees. So that was the price difference in the Classic 500. Now we'll be moving upon to the Desert Storm, which is the most favorite bikes of the Enfield. So we'll be talking about the Desert Storm. So guys, now I'll be talking about the Desert Storm 500, and yes guys, the price of that bike before GST was 1,97,000, and now it has gone up to 1,99,000 or approximately 2 lakh rupees. So yeah guys, that's a huge amount of money. So guys, now I'll be talking about the Chrome 500, and the price of that bike before GST was 2,06,000, and now after GST it has increased 1,500 rupees, so that will be equal to 2,70,500 rupees. So guys, now I'll be talking about the Continental. Now we'll be talking about the Continental GT. So the bike before GST was of 2,31,300 rupees, and after GST it has gone to 2,31,600. That's a 300 rupees change, and I don't know what is the difference in that. So guys, leaving that, and now we'll be talking about the Thunderbird 500. So guys, now we'll be talking about the Thunderbird 500, and that bike before GST was 2,07,700 rupees, and after GST it has gone to 2,09,000. So that was the Thunderbird 500. And now I'll be covering the last bike, that is the Himalayan, and the prices before GST of that bike were 1,81,700, and which has gone up to 1,84,200 rupees. So guys, that were all the bikes from Enfield that I have covered for you guys, and I have reviewed and compared all the prices of all the bikes. And if you have any queries, do ask me on Instagram. I'll put the link in the description, or right over here it will be floating on the screen for you guys. And if you guys, so guys, I will be making more videos on the GST prices and different brands, so stay tuned to my channel. And if you guys have not subscribed, click right over here to subscribe, and click right over here to watch my last video. Until next time, signing off, peace out.